Okay, now I have both the DUET USB and the Windows 10 USB in the USB ports on the old machine. I'm going to turn it on now. You're going to want to go into your BIOS and set it to boot, always to DUET, because that's the only way you're going to see. Here, I'll just go into setup, even though I normally don't do this myself. Boot. You want boot device to be, you want your boot device to be your DUET. Oh, where is it? There it is. Okay. Anyways, I use F8. F8 for the selection so that you get your USB pop-ups. Okay, remember the SanDisk stream has my Windows 10 and the OCC Rally 2 has my DUET. So, got to boot up to DUET. Alright, see, it says fallback bootloader from ESD ISO. That's your Windows 10 because that's the name of the USB drive. And that's the logo. It's green, pink, blue. I doubt you can see it on this old camera, but that's what you're going to select. Now Windows 10 is going to install on your NVMe drive. I don't have an NVMe drive on this machine right now, but that's beside the point, because I'm not going to show you how to install Windows 10. Say next, install now. Choose your version that you want. Windows 10 Pro is what I normally select. And then select your NVMe SSD, whichever one it would be. I don't have it in here because it's in the other machine, so I can show you what it looks like on the other machine if you want. So right now I'm going to cancel this. Oh yeah, that's bright. Alright, this is now in a much newer machine. I'm just going to show you what DUET looks like. there's, once you're done installing on your old machine and you boot up to DUET, you'll have two of these. If you remove this one, that's your Windows installer, so you don't need it in the machine anymore. This one is now the Windows that you just installed on your NVMe. Now if I click on this one, it'll act like it's installing because it's a different machine, so I'll just show you what it looks like. I hope it doesn't mess up any of mine, because this is my work machine I'm using right now. Where are you? Alright, anyways, drive 2, that's going to be my NVMe drive. All this drive 2 is my NVMe drive, and it already has Windows in it. So, but anyways, I was just showing you. As you can see, none of this was hard. So, good luck with it.